Hello guys, welcome back into this crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. Also, we will be looking at the Ethereum and other altcoin setups. However, before we start, I've got a small request as usual. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. We've got over a day to close the current weekly time frame. However, weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame, 19,200 and 19,500 are going to be extremely important, the first resistance zone. At the same time, we've got a support level which we've been following for some time, over 2 months now, based on a weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame. That's going to be below $14,500, $14,000. That's support inside support, I would say. And as you can see, $14,000 is literally below the $17,200. So as I said, that's support inside the support, and we've been following as soon as we lost 382, and there was a decent chance that we're going to lose 618 because based on a weekly time frame we lost all the major support levels, and therefore we're following based on a higher time frame exactly the same levels since we lost $60,000. For market instant and altcoin setups, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Daily time frame. On daily time frame, we've got a clear picture. As long as we're going to get a rejection right from $17,500 and $200, that's another 0.618, the local based on a mid time frame, the fib levels, then the next level is going to be 4 hour time frame heavily under the base control, as I mentioned. We've got lower levels around here. However, we have to follow daily time frame as well as the mid time frame. If we're going to lose these levels, which is going to be $15,500 and $16,000, highly likely in the coming weeks, we're going to see the price action will come into the support box. That's going to be $14,500 all the way up to $13,300. As soon as we lost $60,000, as I said, we're following the exact same price action based on a higher time frame. First leg down with a single resistance we had at around 52, as well as at a 48,000, and at a $48,000 we saw a fake out on the daily time frame, consolidated a bit, and we saw next the second leg down. 4 or 5 months of consolidation, which I warned about at this dump as well, and then at the moment we are consolidating after this crash in this region. So overall, as soon as we lost $60,000, in the first place $17,500, $200, which was higher time frame, the fib level 786, 70% dump. With the recent dump, we saw 73.5% dump in the market, and then with the current price action over again 70% dump. However, without getting an exit signal based on a daily time frame, except this fake out, at the moment we are following this support, and then the local resistance is going to be around $19,200 and $500. This is the level that you have to keep an eye on. At the moment, price is a bit squeezed in here, claiming this as a support. Then we will do a fake out test. Then there is a high chance that we'll go further up. However, it's very early for us to talk about this price action. At the moment, as I said, we are seeing the similar price action that we saw around end of June all the way up to end of October. So we're seeing, as I said, the similar price action. Playing the levels are extremely important. Moving on with our analysis for Ethereum. We started this chart on the 26th of December. As long as we hold the support, and then there is a chance that we're going to clear the resistance levels one by one. So as you can see, when the price action was at around here, I gave these levels in advance. Resistance number 1, daily is a resistance number 2, as well as the 0.618, which is a golden pocket. That was a last resistance, which was a target number 3. And also I made an update that support held and target 1 is done. The next one was on the 4th of January. I was expecting the minor pullback. We had that minor pullback, and then we reached to our target number 2. Last update, I made it today morning that target number 3 was 0.618, the golden pocket, and that provided us another solid 4-hour trade. If you entered around in this box, the stop loss was below that, and as I said, target number 1, target number 2, the daily one, as well as we cleared 0.618, the target number 3, and you have your 4-hour trade. So from here, as long as we stayed above this level, 4-hour went heavily under the bear's control. However, mid-high time frame is not confirmed yet. The 4-hour time frame, when we do multiple time frame analysis, one time frame must confirm the another one in order to take the high probability setups. As long as we're going to be below this level, and I'm expecting that in the first place, we will come and test to this level. Holding this level, we will do a further analysis on the market. So expecting that to come to 1,220 levels are going to be extremely important. However, we've got a daily as well. Keep an eye onto this. Losing this level will give us a chance to come all the way up to this level. Moving on with our analysis for Woo. As soon as we broke the hybrid system, as you can see, retested it with another system that I'm following, which is based on a Renko chart that was we printed on a lower time frame, triple top, which I mentioned that one as well, and then retested the smart money line, as you can see, which I mentioned that seems like we're done with the retesting, and then 10 to 12% I'm expecting to go higher from there. So as you can see perfectly, after we broke, retested it, and the target level I'm targeting is around 14 cents. When we're going to reach the target level, you're going to have 4.5 hour trade, which is going to be around, if you're going to calculate it, about 11%. Or if you entered right from the signal one I provided, and also you had a retest as well in here, you can see it, that will give 8+% profit. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. BTC on a 4-hour time frame, rejection right from the hybrid system, the smart money line, based on a lower time frame, exit from the red line, retested it, target number 1, 0.618, as well as the target number 2, which was the white, the support line. That's how we played scalping on the downside. And at the same time, I mentioned that once we're going to stay above this line, I'm expecting the price to go all the way up in the first place, $17,000, which we reached to our target already. And that will be followed by and 17,250 all the way up to $17,500, which is going to be mirror image of 618, the golden pocket. So far, as soon as we dumped all the way to this level and we recovered as expected, and then we reached to our target number 1, that provided around 3.5% profit. And I'm still holding my bias, expecting second target level as well as the third one, all the way I'm expecting to come to this $17,800. However, you have to be careful because mid-higher time frame giving a mixed signals, and therefore we will see a choppy price action in the coming days. And you have to know the levels, play level to level. As I said, as soon as we stayed above this line, 4-hour entered consolidation. At the moment, 4-hour right inside here, we're consolidating. And as I said in the last video, without claiming this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario for 4-hour time frame. And also it depends how long we're going to stay on this consolidation zone. If we're going to be around here in the next 72 hour plus, then 4-hour will be under the bull's control and we don't have to wait at this level. Still, this level is going to be applicable, an important resistance, lower line confluence with a 0.33 and as well as the 0.38, which is a mirror image of the golden pocket. So this is extremely important level. Also, that's another important support level that we have at the moment. I'm not going to cover 1-hour and 2-hour time frames. They're fully under the bull's control. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.